All right, if you made it this far, you saw me do the framing. You saw us incorporate some of the parts of the oven into this thing with the fan and the light and the back plate. I saw the burners mounted. Next, we got to do insulation. It's not fun. It's probably my nemesis. I hate insulation. And when I did this one, it was probably 110 degrees in the shed. On this project, I ended up using 3 bags of rock wool. It's what it took. Square footage wise, actually just a little bit more than 3 bags, but I had some leftover insulation that I just jammed in the top and finished it off. So you can use anything you want. You can source insulation out. You can buy used insulation out of someone else's project, whatever, pick it up cheap. I was in a hurry and was trying to get this done. So I grabbed the rock wool from the local box store and threw it in this thing. So it's a short video, but check it out. All right, if you just got done watching the insulation video, sorry it was boring. Insulation is not fun, ever. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Electronics should be coming up next, along with the door build shortly.